The directive principle of state policy. The Constitution lays down certain directive principles of state policy which, though not justiciable, are fundamental in governance of the country, and it is the duty of the state to apply these principles in making laws. These lay down that the state shall strive to promote the welfare of people by securing and protecting as effectively as it may a social order in which justice, social, economic, and political shall form in all institutions of national life. The state shall direct its policy in such a manner as to secure the rights of all men and women to an adequate means of livelihood, equal pay for equal work, and within limits of its economic capacity and development to make effective provision for securing the right to work, education, and to public assistance in the event of unemployment, old age, sickness, and disablement or other cases of undeserved want. The state shall also endeavor to secure to workers a living wage, human conditions of work, a decent standard of life, and full involvement of workers in management of industries. In the economic sphere, the state is to direct its policy in such a manner as to secure distribution of ownership and control of material resources of community to subserve the common good, and to ensure that operation of economic system does not result in concentration of wealth and means of production to common detriment. Some of the other important directives relate to provision of opportunities and facilities for children to develop in a healthy manner, free and compulsory education for all children up to the age of 14, promotion of education and economic interests of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other weaker sections, organization of village panchayats, separation of judiciary from executive, promulgation of a uniform civil code for whole country, protection of national monuments, promotion of justice on a basis of equal opportunity, provision of free legal aid, protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding of forests and wildlife of the country, promotion of international peace and security, just and honorable relations between nations, respect for international law, treaty obligations, and settlement of international disputes by arbitration.